Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to talk about compound angles. Compound angle is an algebraic sum of two or more angles. And in this very lecture, we are going to derive formulae for compound angles of sine and cosine functions. That is, we will find how cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. For that, we take a unit circle with center at origin and let P be the point where the circle touches x-axis. Then coordinates of P are 1, 0. That is, x coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is 0. Now let us take one more point Q on the circle such that OQ makes angle x with positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Then coordinates of Q are cosine of x, sine of x. That is, x coordinate is equal to cosine of x and y coordinate is equal to sine of x. Now let us take one more point R on the circle such that OR makes angle y with positive direction of x-axis taken in clockwise direction. The negative sign of y indicates that it is taken in clockwise direction. Thus, coordinates of R are cosine of minus y, sine of minus y. Now take one more point S on the circle such that OS makes angle y with OQ in anti-clockwise direction. Then OS makes angle x plus y with positive direction of x-axis taken in anti-clockwise direction. Thus we can write coordinates of S as cosine of x plus y, sine of x plus y. Now join QR and SP. Thus we get two triangles. One triangle is OQR and the second triangle is OPS. In triangle OQR and OPS, OQ is equal to OS as they are radius of same circle. Similarly, OR is equal to OP. Also, the numerical value of angle QOR is equal to POS. Thus, triangle OPS is congruent to triangle OQR, which further implies that QR is equal to PS. Now we can find PS and QR using distance formula. From distance formula, distance is equal to under root of difference of x coordinate square plus difference of y coordinate square. Using this distance formula, we get PS is equal to under root of cosine of x plus y minus 1 square plus sine of x plus y minus 0 square, and QR is equal to under root of cosine of x minus cosine of minus y whole square plus sine of x minus sine of minus y whole square. Now on squaring PS and QR, we get PS square is equal to cosine of x plus y minus 1 whole square plus sine of x plus y minus 0 whole square, and RQ square is equal to cosine of x minus cosine of minus y whole square plus sine of x minus sine of minus y whole square. Since the two are equal, so we can write cosine of x plus y minus 1 whole square plus sine of x plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to cosine of x minus cosine of minus y whole square plus sine of x minus sine of minus y whole square. On simplifying, we get this result, which on further simplifying we get this result. Since we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, therefore cosine square x plus y plus sine square x plus y is equal to 1. Cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. Cosine square y plus sine square y is equal to 1. Thus we get 1 plus 1 minus twice cosine of x plus y is equal to 1 plus 1 minus twice cosine of x cosine of y plus twice sine of x sine of y. 1 plus 1 on the left hand side cancels with 1 plus 1 on right hand side, and we get minus twice cosine of x plus y is equal to minus twice cosine of x cosine of y plus twice sine of x sine of y. Dividing both sides by minus 2, we get cosine of x plus y is equal to cosine of x cosine of y minus sine of x sine of y. That is our first result. Now if we replace y with minus y, then we get cosine of x minus y is equal to cosine of x cosine of minus y minus times sine of x sine of minus y. Since we know that cosine of minus theta is equal to cosine of theta and sine of minus theta is minus times sine of theta, therefore we can write cosine of x minus y is equal to cosine of x cosine of y plus sine of x sine of y. That completes the second result. Now we can write sine of x plus y is equal to cosine of pi by 2 minus x plus y, as we know that cosine of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine of theta. That is further equal to cosine of pi by 2 minus x minus y. Now we use the result of cosine of x minus y. We treat pi by 2 minus x as x and y as y. Then we get cosine of pi by 2 minus x cosine of y plus sine of pi by 2 minus x sine of y. We also know that cosine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sine of x, and sine of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cosine of x. Thus we can write sine of x cosine of y plus cosine of x sine of y. Therefore, sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cosine y plus cosine x sine y. That completes the third result. Now replace y by minus y, we get sine of x minus y is equal to sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. That proves the fourth result. In this way, we have proved that cosine of x plus y is equal to cosine x cosine y minus sine x sine y. Cosine of x minus y is equal to cosine x cosine y plus sine x sine y. Sine of x plus y is equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sine y, and sine of x minus y is equal to sine x cos y minus cos x sine y. Thus, we have derived four basic formulae for compound angles of sine and cosine functions. In my next lecture, I will continue this topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.